All right, my dudes, the real question is where you should invest your money, XRP or Bitcoin. I mean, sure, you can buy both of them, but which one is going to give you max gains in both the short and long term? And this is a discussion that's really been up for debate. I mean, heavily up for debate the last couple of years. Obviously, as I like to say, XRP has been in a dumpster fire, but that doesn't mean it won't moonship at any given moment. And I actually have another article I wanted to go over on Prime XBT, which covers it pretty good. At the end, I will give my actual opinion on where I think you should put your money, not financial advice. And I will also link this article up below if you want to check it out. But basically, it says Bitcoin and XRP are both cryptocurrencies that share a few similarities, but are considerably unique in many more other ways. Both can be used to store or transfer value from user to user without the need for a bank. The similarities end there, with even their creation and backstory diverging completely. For one, Bitcoin was designed by the pseudonymous Satoshi Nakamoto that is presumed deceased and had noble reasons for creating cryptocurrency that will be explained under the below concepts section. Ripple, on the other hand, started as another project altogether, and the XRP protocol is now provided by Ripple, a company by the same name. Bitcoin was created in 2008 during the Great Recession and peak bank bailouts. A newspaper headline mentioning such a situation is coded right into the Genesis block. It was designed to be the first peer-to-peer form of digital cash, but also feature aspects of a commodity to ensure scarcity and not let it fall into the same sort of situation that fiat currencies are currently becoming exposed to, an endlessly inflating supply. Bitcoin enables users to be their own bank, custody their own wealth, all without the need for a third party. Ripple, on the other hand, isn't actually the name of the cryptocurrency. It is the name of the parent company behind the protocol. While Ripple executives claim XRP is decentralized, founders hold a sizable portion of the supply, and the crypto community claims the distribution is too unfair to be considered decentralized. The SEC isn't yet sure, and there is a gray area surrounding XRP because of the involvement of Ripple, the company. And while Bitcoin is vehemently opposed to banks, Ripple works with directly banks to get them to implement the XRP protocol and replace cross-border payment solutions like SWIFT wire transfers. Because of how completely different in concept these two assets are, the crypto community is just as divided on if the asset is worthy of investment or not. Ripple also has a marketing team. For example, while only developers in the community itself supports Bitcoin. Because of this, Ripple is subject to stricter regulation than Bitcoin, which has no intermediary whatsoever. Bitcoin wasn't the first attempt at creating a cryptocurrency. However, it was the first successful one. Satoshi Nakamoto solved the elusive double spend issue plaguing previous forms of digital cash that ultimately failed. The proof of work system driven by Bitcoin mining, contributing hash power to the network to keep it secure, and chugging along was the solution necessary to create the future of finance. XRP utilizes a consensus ledger and series of network servers to validate transactions. As a result, XRP is significantly faster and more flexible than the Bitcoin blockchain. Bitcoin blocks are generated roughly every 10 minutes. Transactions that pay the highest fees or happen to make it to the top of the pool can be processed in this time frame, but it can take longer from there depending on overall transaction fee costs. How many transactions are currently pending in the meme pool and more? The number of transactions per block can reach as high as 3,500, so the cryptocurrency currency has a capacity for roughly 3,500 per 10 minutes. XRP, however, is consistently capable of 1,500 transactions per second, easily trumping Bitcoin's slow and clunky blockchain mechanic. Fees are also significantly less on XRP. The XRP blockchain can handle a number of different assets and more compared to Bitcoin. These are just some of the ways that make Ripple better than Bitcoin, but which will make you more money. Look, I think right now XRP is what is going to give you the massive gains. You're looking for a lot more in the short and long term compared to Bitcoin. Personally, I am thinking a $10 to $30 XRP will be coming very soon. Next, I would like to once again pull up my Uphold account, which has around 30,000 coins of XRP and really is my favorite exchange to buy XRP. I just like to show you guys that I am always stacking and packing. I just have recurring buys on Uphold for XRP, so it's always stacking up. But basically, Uphold is still one of the top exchanges for buying and holding crypto. I actually only use 5 exchanges right now, and this is my top one speedically for XRP. And why, you ask? Well, it's simple. They have really good security features here and have also added Vault. Vault is basically a way to get even more protection on your XRP and crypto by taking things offline and giving you keys. It's sort of like a ledger or Trezor, but connected with them. It's cool. And it's also cool to see that they're innovating in this space. You can also trade upwards of 300 different cryptocurrencies in here, precious metals, fiat currencies, and even stocks. You can sort of see I own some other things on here other than XRP, like a little bit of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Engine Coin. Of course, if you guys wanted to get started on Uphold, there will be some bonus and resource links you can check out directly below in the description for getting started here. Okay, next I'd like to wrap things up going over 5 coins I think are good ways to hedge against XRP, not financial advice. But I do own these as well and believe in the long-term viability of them. First up is SingularityNet. SingularityNet is a blockchain platform anyone can use to create, share, and monetize AI services. It provides a global AI marketplace where users can purchase all kinds of AI services with the AGIX utility token. The AI boom has been one of the most exciting recent technological developments, both for cryptocurrency and the world as a whole. SingularityNet is well positioned to capitalize on the trend with a large team of AI scientists, researchers, and developers. The platform makes it easy for users to buy AI services or develop and sell their own. SingularityNet already had quite a bit of success early last year with its price increasing by more than 300%. It later declined, likely due to some investors taking their profits. However, it could see more success as AI and the number of companies using AI continue to grow. Second is Thorchain. Thorchain is a decentralized crypto exchange that operates through an automated market maker AMM model. It has liquidity pools for cryptocurrencies managed by smart contracts. Anyone can use Thorchain by connecting their blockchain wallet to trade over 5,500 cryptocurrencies. Centralized crypto exchanges have had their share of high-profile issues, including the collapse of FTX in 2022. It's understandable why many investors would want full control of their crypto and use decentralized exchanges when possible. While many decentralized exchanges are available, Thorchain stands out for its experience in the space and recent growth. It was founded in 2018, but business really started picking up toward the end of last year. In November 2023, it had about $1 billion per week in swap volume. Next is Fetch.ai. Fetch.ai is an AI lab that allows individuals or organizations to build their own autonomous agents. The agents can then handle real-world tasks for the user. Agents store data and interact with one another on a blockchain platform so they can collaborate without human interaction. FET tokens are the native cryptocurrency for Fetch.ai. As such, they're used to make payments on its network. This is another cryptocurrency that did well in 2023 due to the hype around AI technology. Its value went up by almost 300% toward the end of the year. While that's a sizable gain, based on the kinds of returns other popular projects have gotten, there's likely still plenty of room to keep growing. Fourth, we have none other than Bitcoin. Like Ethereum, Bitcoin is already a top cryptocurrency, the top cryptocurrency to be exact. While it's certainly not a dark horse crypto that's going to triple in value, it has had some very positive news to start the year. After years of waiting, the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, finally approved Bitcoin ETFs on Jan 10, 2024. There are now 11 Bitcoin ETFs available, and they saw $4.6 billion in trading volume on the first day. The SEC approval makes investing in the market's largest cryptocurrency easier than ever and could lead to more institutional investors buying Bitcoin. And last is Monero. Monero is the best known privacy coin, which means it is a cryptocurrency with anonymous, untraceable transactions. It uses privacy enhancing technology to keep the sender, recipient, and amount of every transaction hidden. This coin has been around since 2014, a long time in a market that moves as quickly as cryptocurrency. It's an interesting investment now because of increasing crypto regulation in many countries, including the United States. There are plenty of people who want to keep their cryptocurrency transactions private, especially as regulations become stricter. That gives Monero a clear use case and makes it a dark horse pick for a crypto that could see continued success. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed these picks. Don't forget to subscribe, and we will see you all in the next video.